Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So, do not use anything like that or like that. I know these are only the SIM card trays, but still do not use anything metallic as it can only damage the phone. So just like that, you know what I mean. You can easily destroy your phone if you're trying to mess with the microphone port right up down here, and you can damage it so the microphone won't even work, even if you thought it was already that it wasn't and it was something else than the destroyed port. So do not use anything metallic to put into the phone. You can use a soft brush for example, but nothing that has metal with it. So next, what you guys can do is test the mic in a voice recorder app. So as you guys can see, we're gonna open up our phone and go over to tools. Now let's click on recorder, and here click on agree and continue, and here we can start the recording. Let's allow the notifications. As you guys can see, our microphone is working. We even have a transcription right here of everything we say. And now I'll stop talking for a couple of seconds. And as you guys can see, everything is fine. So now we can stop the recording. And now what can we do if our microphone is still not working is basically restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up, and now our phone is being restarted. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is update your software. So let's unlock the phone and go over to the settings. And after going into the settings, let's scroll down all the way to the bottom until you guys see the system update. Now click on software update and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I have the latest version of the software, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it's very important to keep your software up to date. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.